Hey, hi guys, welcome to come back to the simple sweet cooking and मेरा नाम है गीता देसाई. So let's go. I just cut it for the first one, the zucchini. Be gently going to all the ways there, and it's good. Just and all the veggies coming out. You can see how long the veggie seed going. That big is good for the we making veggie lasagna. Then have to the remove for the all of them. So again you do the same thing. Then done. Little bit the harder from the sweet potato, so you have to put in little couple piece is coming the messed up, so you have to take her out that much. You can doing the sweet potato, regular potato, apple, whatever you want. Just see, all veggie seed is coming the same thing. You can see how big. Okay, I have the broccoli and the cauliflower, so I just cutting the preparing for the already. So like a knife, then cut, and I just cutting for the onion. So I just separate up and capsicum, pepper, and the red onion. I just mix together, and that is the Italian dressing. So I just put in this way. This one is a parsley, so it's good for the Italian dish we making. So you have to the put it, and this one is a basil. So and here, so then mix to very well with the oil and the tomato. Just shape the hand and just putting the garlic like this, and we put in the oven mushroom. So we just cutting for the mushroom right now. I cut the everything preparing. So however you want the side. Sorry guys, I forget my videos on. So this one is I shredded the cheese. For the mozzarella cheese I am using, and mostly I using the cotta cheese. Cotta cheese में the like yogurt की तरह आता है ना, जो पोदा पोदा वाली, वही वाली. लेकिन आज मेरे पास नहीं है, इसलिए मैं ये वाली नॉर्मल ये वाली चीज यूज कर रही हूँ. ये क्रीम है, चीज नहीं है, ऑर्गेनिक है, लेकिन ये वाली कर रही हूँ अभी. थोड़ी वहाँ रहेगी तो फिर. So I just using this one. Then mix to. I using for the garlic powder. If you have the onion powder, so you can use the onion powder. But I'm just using for the garlic powder. I don't have right now the onion powder. Running out. And just the paprika. So little bit. You don't have to put in salt anything. Just you don't have to squeeze too much. Just mix it and letting little bit outside cool down. Then it's automatically is good. And now I am use for the beans. That is the vegetarian the beans. So this one. So I take her out from the beans can. You know have to the warm the beans anything. That is the ready-made the beans. So right now the beans is ready. Then now the same process. So we have the heater of the oven. So you have to cutting for how do you want a bigger lasagna slice. Then you have a cut for easily cutting. So I bring the air is very hot. You can see that's not burn and good for perfect cooking. Then now I just putting the both one in. So that stage is you have to the take her out. I just like right now. First they are the hungry, so I'm using for the only tomato sauce for the that one the kids, and the my is a mushroom one. Right now, you just spread up for the sauce on the bottom. Okay, because they are all going to the smooshy. That is for the beans. Just beans is spread up. Okay, you have to cheese. It was coming. Again the sauce and the lining. They want to just onion and the calcium pepper, some mushroom, and they are done. Just putting the salt and pepper. My hand is the broccoli. I like the pineapple too, but right now I don't have it. Otherwise, you can put in the pineapple too. And now for putting the cheese. One is already too. And they are done. I have some cutting the onion and the garlic, green garlic. ये आपने हीरू का ये देखा, और green garlic. Okay, and some kothmi. Taste according. This is some parsley and some sprinkle the onion little bit. They're not eating that much. You want to keep eating, then you have to put it. But they like this way, so I just put it the one tray. Right now the oven 350 degrees for the like around 25 minutes, something like that. Now I just peel the tomato. And put in here, same thing. It is choice to your. If you want to put it, put the tomato there for the like smooth and roasted. Otherwise, you can use like normally way. But I like this way, so I just roasted. टोमेटो को कुक नहीं करना होता है, हमें जस्ट रोस्टेड करना होता है, लेकिन मुझे ये चंकी वाला टोमेटो अच्छा लगता है, इसीलिए मैं अभी इसे भी साइड में कर लूँगी. इसे नहीं डालना है, मैं गार्लिक भी काटना है ना, तो भी मैं इसे साइड में कर लेंगे. ओके, देन वन मोर द गार्लिक राइट हियर, एंड दैट गोइंग डाउन. और हम ऐसे ही गार्लिक को भी छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कट कर लेंगे. इस गुड होगा ऐसे रोस्ट किया हुआ गार्लिक मुझे अच्छा लगता है. कभी कभी तो मैं घर पे रहती हूँ तो ऐसा गार्लिक करके खा लेती हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसे ही नॉर्मल गार्लिक करना अच्छा लगता है. अगर आपके पास जुकीनी भी नहीं है, आपके पास સ્વીટ પટેટો એટલે આપણા ગુજરાતી શક્કરિયા થોડા મોટી સાઈઝમાં આવે છે રે, પણ તમારી જોડે એ પણ ના હોય તો તમે રેગ્યુલર બટાકાની સ્લાઇસો કરીને પણ તમે બેઝી લઝાનિયા બનાવી શકો છો. એ કટરમાં તમે બેઝી ચિપ્સો બનાવવાની હોય તો એવું બધું હું એમાં જ બનાવું છું, એટલે કે આપણને ઈઝી પડે. છોકરાઓની બાકી ચિપ્સો ને બધું આપીએ એના કરતાં થોડું બેઝી પણ ખાઈ લોકો, અને આમ ફૂટ આપીએ તો એ લોકો ખાતા પણ નથી હોતા ને, તો થોડું આપણું ફ્રૂટ પણ થઈ જાય લોકો માટે. સ્ક્વીઝ અપ. अभी तो ये हमारा हो गया. That is sweet potato seed for the this one and the top up. The melted. So you have to put in little bit the cheese and the repeat again too. You can see the like a smoothly getting out. Then you have the little bit the bigger, so you don't have to worry about that. You just put in the bend. Then now same process repeat again. And something garlic, some onion, just not too much, otherwise that coming out. So we have a pot for the cheese, and for the too much cheese, but I like the veggie one is a more. Oh my goodness. But I using for the basil leaf. It is good for Italian dish. Is basil and the parsley. It is going to the Italian dish. It's good. And now done. Now I just remove for the kids tray. Then I want to check are you cooking or not. Oh wow. This stage we want to put in little bit the more 10 to 15 minutes. आप देख रहे हैं हमारे गर्मा गर्म लजानिया बन के रेडी हो गए हैं। ये बच्चों वाला है। So right now we remove the polycake. It looks so yummy. You can see that is the hot air going out. Let's go. We cut it because kids not be patient. So let's see. Just how would you like?
It tastes good.
Sure.
Yeah,
It's good. Yeah. Okay.
it's good. I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So, is the smell coming? Like I'm not a bee patient too because I know the lasagna. I just randomly making today. She's asking and I say okay, let's go. And some of them the garlic. You can see the pari close. The lasagna is great, looking very delicious. And here is the same thing too. ये हमारी लजानिया की डिश बनके रेडी हो गई है guys. Hope if you like it, my lasagna's dish. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. ऐसे लजानिया बनते हैं तो फिर आप भी अच्छे से लजानिया बनाइए, खाइए, खिलाइए अपनी फैमिली के साथ, शेयर कीजिए। और आपको मेरी ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।